We welcome you to Super Sunday at the DARPA Lift Challenge. The National Museum of the United States Air Force is buzzing with excitement. The teams have been up all night tweaking, prepping, and getting ready. The drones have made their way to the flight line and the launch pads are ready for liftoff.
Down fast. Lost the weight.
No pressure, lads, but there is $2.5 million on the line.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And it's going to...
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, they went nearly 3 nautical miles with a 4.04 payload to weight ratio. In my book, JB, that's a big win.
Yeah, it's awesome to be part of this, and that's kind of enough.
On behalf of DARPA and the entire Lift Challenge team, I'm honored to welcome you tonight to the closing ceremony.
Every single team here, you are DARPA.
Most revolutionary aerodynamic design, the University of Maryland. Next up, most revolutionary powertrain design, Portal Aircraft Company. Overall, most promising, Defentex. The top 3 teams, Stream Aerial Concepts, MTech Operations. And now for the highest honor of the DARPA Lift Challenge, $1.25 million for Avidrone. And what comes next is not actually up to DARPA. It's up to you.